Today, many digital content creators are starting to use the NFT platform to market their content. For example, most creators today use platforms like Rarible to create their own NFT tokens. With the help of Rarible, creators can convert their work into digital form NFT tokens that can be traded in the marketplace. Users can have the opportunity to earn up to thousands or even millions of dollars if their work is really interesting and exclusive. Seeing this, GetArt is interested in being able to present users with an NFT marketplace where they can buy, sell, or find exclusive digital assets. GetArt will be a place where users can find various digital content according to their interests, such as music, art, virtual galleries, and collectibles. GetArt aims to provide users with a digital marketplace for non-fungible tokens where users can freely carry out various transactions without worrying about security. Because GetArt is dedicated to presenting the largest digital market in the world for placementable cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens. GetArt is an NFT marketplace that allows users to buy, sell, and discover various digital assets according to their preferences. GetArt provides an opportunity for content creators to be able to launch their own NFT tokens. Content creators can easily deliver the ownership rights without the need for a third party. Transactions are carried out between content creators and collectors. GetArt is only a medium that will facilitate transactions for NFT tokens, but that's not all. There are several other features of GetArt. Sports ERC721 and ERC1155. GetArt is a marketplace that supports NFT tokens of the ERC721 and ERC1155 types. Potential market. The NFT sector is very potential because every year the global digital market experiences a significant development. Therefore, GetArt is proud to enter this market. Virtual galleries. GetArt will develop virtual galleries where users can visit virtual VR galleries and can view various digital content as in real galleries. Live auctions. GetArt support live auctions just like real galleries. NFT book. GetArt provides a virtual book that allows user to buy or sell like a regular book, but this is virtual and legal. GAX is a native token launched by the GetArt platform and will serve as a utility token. GAX token based on Binance BEP20 with a total supply of 12382970.